Okay, sometime today, if my dad gets time, he's going to attempt to repair this stupid, well, I wouldn't even call it a repair job. Said they stuck roofing nails in there and taped them down. There's connections for the speakers in there. I don't know why they just didn't put wires in. He says that they were that fucking stupid. That's what he said when he looked. I powered this up or something, and he was out here looking at it, and he said, "What kind of fucking something something," and more curse words. And I know that the guy who sold this and probably worked on it never would have done something so stupid. I probably could have done something better when I was 9 years old, or probably even in kindergarten for that matter. Like, what the fuck? And of course it doesn't. My dad had to push on this to get a connection, so we're going to get that fixed. I should say he is today if he has time. And since this thing is turned around, I'll try to get a shot of this. That's where it came from. I've never seen that on a TV or I don't think any of the TVs or radios that I have. Sticker from the place where it came from. Come on, stay still. Okay, I don't know how good it will show up, but damn bugs. Fuck, I hate bees. Get the fuck out of here. Damn bugs. Yo, there's the... There's a sticker. I hope it shows up okay if I can keep the camera still. And I do talk to him from time to time. He's an older fella. Hopefully that's going to show up okay. Try to get another shot. I wish I could. Well, it's... Okay, well, I hope that's good. So hopefully, maybe today he'll get time to figure out what they did and why they did it. Like, so stupid. I noticed it when I first got it, and I thought, like, I didn't know what the hell it was. I don't know why they just didn't solder some wires in there, which is what my dad's going to do. I don't think I could do it. I don't know if I could do it or not. Probably not, and I don't know. He says he's going to do it, so... Anyway, I just wanted to get a shot of the sticker there where it was... Well, this thing was turned around. Hope we get enough of a shot of it that it can be seen in the video. He said they did move their location a couple of times. And I asked him about the phone number, and he said he wouldn't remember what location it was from, but maybe it's on the sticker. Guess we'll see. I think I got it all in there. Well, I hope it shows up good enough. So hopefully we'll get that fixed. Okay, there's my soldering iron and stuff. Couple of wires, scraps of wire I dug up, and these if he needs them. Old rubber, it's got old rubber on, like they're old rubber wires. I have a bunch of scraps of wire, and I like to try to use those before I cut up my rolls of wire. Okay, there's now a proper repair job in place, so now I'm gonna grab a VCR that I use for a signal source on my on another TV, and get a signal into this and see what happens. I don't know what kind of stupid did that repair job before. They must have been, I don't know. Anyway, I said that before. Enough's enough. Okay, back to this thing again. Had it powered up last night, and I had it powered up again this morning. I talked to an acquaintance this morning, the older fella that was in the military. Last night, the picture wasn't filling up the top of the screen, and then when I powered it up this morning, it was at the top, but it wasn't filling up the bottom. And I don't know, I think I'm just going to have to turn this thing around again and see what the tubes are. I'm going to have to order up a bunch. He said it could be capacitors. Let's see, did I leave? I think I left everything plugged in. And I found out the TV. Yeah, these knobs they have to get re-glued back on. So I have to try to, there. Ah, damn. They have to get re-glued. It's warming up. And something I'll mention is, over on this side there's about a 3-inch tweeter and a 5x7. And on this side there's another 3-inch tweeter and a 5x7. That's for the radio part, I guess. But there's a little 4-inch in here, and that's what the TV uses. I didn't notice at first why they sounded so different. Like, why wouldn't they? I wish they would have just used a 5x7 for the TV. Cram something else. Like, I don't know. Maybe they, for some reason, they just couldn't fit it. I don't know. But okay, it's lighting up. And poor old thing's got some issues.